been working in cancer research for many years, over 30 years now, and we're focused on what are called cancer stem cells, and those are the cells that are responsible for tumor recurrence, metastasis, and drug resistance. So we're developing new ways to target those cells, to eradicate them, the cancer stem cells. Well, right now what we're doing is we're doing drug screening, and so we're identifying existing FDA-approved drugs that could be used to target and eradicate the cancer stem cells. The idea is to prevent poor clinical outcome, such as recurrence and metastasis. So now that we've identified a series of drugs, we're putting them into clinical trials. And those clinical trials are what are called window studies. And so the idea is to test the efficacy of these drugs in small pilot studies. Yes, I'm hopeful that this will be used in cancer treatment in the future. What we've already done is our first window trial with a drug called doxycycline, which is an antibiotic. It costs 10 pence a day. And what we did is we put this drug into a phase 2 clinical trial. And this saves 15 years of drug development and billions of pounds. And what we saw is that we did a biopsy at diagnosis and a biopsy at surgery. And there's a window of time between those two biopsies, which is about 2 to 3 weeks. And because the standard of care in breast cancer is to give nothing during that period, you can give actually any FDA-approved drug. So we gave doxycycline at the standard dose, which is 200 milligrams a day. And this study took place in the University of Pisa, but we were involved in writing the trial and getting it approved. And ultimately what we found in a small group of patients was that we could reduce the cancer stem cells anywhere between 17 and 70% with a near 90% response rate. So this is a first demonstration that doxycycline can actually reduce the cancer stem cell population in real patients.